Columbia Housing Authority really has two programs that we operate. It's the housing units that we own and operate, 717 units of public housing. But we also have the Housing Choice Voucher Program, commonly referred to as Section 8. And I really have noticed some of the properties have high utility costs. And so I've long been advocating for us to try to come up with some ways to reduce the utility costs in rental properties and make them more energy efficient. And I really felt like I couldn't advocate for that if I didn't do it myself. In our Oak Towers renovation project, one of the really big things that we did was we installed a ground source geothermal system with heat pumps in every apartment. And this is a heat pump unit that's attached to the geothermal well field. And these are the risers that bring the water into the building, circulate through the heat pump, and help give this building a very high energy efficiency. What it's allowed us to do was get rid of the old boiler system that was in the building. People on the top floors, they get very hot in the wintertime, and they would open their windows to try to manage the temperature, and it would create a stack effect in the building, so cold air coming in. And people couldn't control the temperature in their building. They couldn't set the thermostat to where they wanted because there was no thermostat. So now everybody has their own thermostat, and they can set to a comfortable temperature. We also replaced the windows in the building and put in LED lighting throughout the building to reduce our energy consumption, and we put in water-saving devices like low-flow aerators in the sinks. And so by helping to reduce their energy costs, then that makes them more secure in their housing.